So I got this fully mixed up Rubik's Cube. It's all mixed up, and I'm going to show you how I can solve it in just 1 second. Here we go.
Like a Hellcat.
So this is a trick that a lot of people have done where you just take a mixed up Rubik's Cube and you can solve it with just 2 moves that you repeat over and over. So simply you go up and over, up and over. You just repeat this over and over until at one point you have it all solved. It will take a little while, but it does eventually solve. Boom. You see, we completely solved the Rubik's Cube. So that trick that I just did there was just a cool little party trick that you could show your friends, that's like, hey, I could solve a Rubik's Cube with just 2 moves. So it's a pretty cool one. Hey guys, I got a quick question for you. How many Rubik's Cubes are in this video? Was your answer 3? Well, you're wrong. The answer is only 2. See, this is a mirror, and I got 2 Rubik's Cubes right here in my hand. So, sorry, you were probably wrong because made it look like there were 3 because of the mirror. So, y'all ready to see how quickly I can solve a Rubik's Cube? Well, currently my record is a minute and, a minute and 14 seconds, I think. Alright, ready? Here we go. That was quick. Goodness gracious. I'm not doing this as quickly as I usually do it. Boom. Done. So that wasn't as quickly as I usually solve a Rubik's Cube, and I'm sorry I kind of had it out of the video at sometimes because I wasn't really paying attention to the camera. Oops, but I got a couple cube tricks that you can do, and they're really cool. The first cube trick a lot of people know, whereas you take your solved Rubik's Cube, you twist the middle one, first you just take any side that you want, and you twist the middle any direction. For example, I'm going up, and then we twist the middle one way to the side. Sorry, I'm not really good at doing directions. And then we take this and we twist this down, and then we got a little dot right here and a little dot right here, and we can take this and twist it to the side, and then boom, we got a bunch of little dots. That we're back to normal. Now here's another trick. Now we're going to take our solved Rubik's Cube, we're going to take anything and we're going to twist the middle 2 times, and then we're going to turn it like this, and then twist the middle 2 times, and then turn it like this, and twist the middle 2 times. And now this is the checkers board, where everything is basically just checkered. And the way to undo this is, once again, twist the middle twice, then flip it like this, twist the middle twice, flip it like this and twist the middle twice. And now here is my favorite Rubik's Cube trick, and let's do it. Here we go. For this next cube trick, we have our solved Rubik's Cube, and we're going to take it, and we are going to move the top to the left 2 times. Then we're going to move the front to the right 2 times.
The right to the right 2 times. The top is going to go right. Left is going to go left 2 times. Bottom is going to go right. The back is going to go left. The right is going to go left. Back is going to go left. Right is going to go left. Back is going to go left. Right is going to go left 1 more time. Bottom is going to go left. Left is going to go left 2 times.
And then we turn the top to the right. And this trick is really awesome. It's called the cube inside of a cube, because it basically looks like there's a cube inside of a cube. And you can turn it upside down, and it's the same on the other side. And basically how to undo this is to do the algorithm backwards. Oh, hey. So that's gonna do it for my Rubik's Cube tricks and stuff. So if you guys enjoyed, give it a like, and if a lot of you guys like it, then I can make another Rubik's Cube trick video. So thanks for watching. Like, share this video with all your Rubik's Cube solving friends, or just your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe if that subscribe button is still red. I want to see that subscribe button is gray for you. That was really bad. But thanks for watching. See you next time on another video on JX24.